Good morning, children. Welcome to your Mental Maths Test 5. There are 20 questions in it, so you have to attempt all 20 of them. And let me start with the questions. Question 1. Which number has the smallest face value, FACE, face value in 1708? Which number has the smallest face value in 1708? Question number 2. What should I subtract from the sum of 35 and 35 to get a result of 35? What should I subtract from the sum of 35 and 35, add 35 to 35, sum of 35 and 35, to get the final result as 35? So you just have to write that number. All right. Question 3. How many 250 milliliter mugs will be required to fill a 5-liter bucket? How many 250 milliliter mugs will be required to fill a 5-liter bucket? So you have to fill a bucket which is 5 liters. So how many 250 ml mugs will you require to fill the bucket? All right. Question number 4. The sum of all the angles in a triangle is how many degrees? The sum of all the angles in a triangle is how many degrees? Wonderful. Question 5. Which number is the least common multiple of 3 and 6? So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? Question 6. Which is the smallest 2-digit prime number? Which is the smallest 2-digit prime number? Question 7. Is the product of 7 and 7 prime? Is the product of 7 and 7 prime? Just have to write a yes or a no. Product of 7 and 7. Question 8. Is 90 a factor of 360? Yes or no? Is 90 a factor of 360? Yes or no? Wonderful. If 27 rupees are divided among 4 people, how much will each get? If 27 rupees are divided among 4 people, how much money will each get? You can write your answer in rupiah and paisa, right? So in rupees and paise. 27 amongst 4 people. Come on, be quick. Question 10 is a series. 11, 13, then there is x, which is a blank, x, 11, 13, x, 19. So you have to find the value of x. 11, 13, x, 19. Question number 11. 275 paise coins would make how many rupees and paise? 275 paise coin will make how many rupees and how many paise? Question 12. Your sister's brother is your sister's brother is your. All right. Question number 13. If A multiplied by E is 5, if A, alphabet A, multiplied by E is 5, then B multiplied by F will be? A multiplied by E is 5, so B multiplied by F will be? Question 14. If Times of India costs rupees 4 on weekdays, and rupees 6.50 on Saturday and Sunday, so rupees 4 on weekdays and 6.50 on Saturday and Sunday, how much money will I pay for it in one complete week? How much money will I pay for it in one complete week? So 4 rupees is the cost on a weekday and 6.50 is the cost on a weekend. Your calculations will matter. All right. Next one. If 7th February is a Sunday, what will be the date on 16th February? If 7th February is a Sunday, what will be the day on 16th February? 7th is a Sunday, 16th February will be a whatever day of the week. All right, the next one. Rini and her friends eat 3.5 chapatis each. So each of them eats 3.5 chapatis. If Rini invited 4 of her friends home, all right, how many chapatis will her mother cook for Rini and her friends? So each of Rini's friends and Rini, they are eating 3.5 chapatis. 4 friends were invited home by Rini. How many chapatis will her mother cook for Rini and her friends? Some calculations. All right. If x plus 5 is equal to 10, imagine the equation in your mind. X plus 5 is equal to 10. Find the value of x. Do your calculations. Okay. Question 18. If x into 3 is 24, find x. All right. Next, if x divided by 4, x over 4, x upon 4 is equal to 100, find x. X upon 4 is equal to 100, find x. Question 20, the last one. If x minus 15 is equal to 35, find x. If x minus 15 is equal to 35, find x. You can review the video again if you missed out on a question. A good score in this test, a wonderful score in this test will be 18 out of 20, nothing less than it. Right? 15 is fairly good, and anything below 13 would require a lot of practice then. All right? So utilize your holidays to practice maths if you have got a lesser score. And anything 20 out of 20 is spectacular. So after this, I'm sending the answers. Please calculate your marks and send your scores on the group. In the group, right? Thank you, children.